What's up everybody, welcome to money management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I have a lot of news to cover. I will show you a recap regarding the recent appeal that was filed by Mark Basile. And on top of that, I will show you a new letter from Congress regarding our case. And at the end of this video, I will show you an update from Richard Hoffman regarding the upcoming live stream video. And in my opinion, this video might also change a lot in our case. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. I have to say that for now it is quite difficult to cover all these topics on a daily basis without any day offs, and that is why, guys, I kindly ask you just hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. So let's start with the news itself. On mmtlpresources.com you can find this article, and I have to say that I covered this news by itself on my yesterday's video, but here we can find some recap, some details in recap that was made by one of our community members. And let me quote you this news in details. Mark Basile and the Basile law firm have filed their MMTLP appeal case in the New York Supreme Court. This is from the summer filed case of David Horsani versus FINRA in the request for discovery and bullshit data. The initial court case decision was denied back in June. We knew this was coming, and here it is. You can view the related documents here. Here is the link. The records on appeal document is 602 pages, and the appellant's brief is 60 pages. If you want more information, Basile is hosting a Q&A session in X space at 6 AM on Monday, October the 9th. There is a lot to read here, but the community member Dave summarized some of the important items he came across. And here is the links on his due diligence, on his recap, and let me quote you some of his tweets. MMTLP. Here mentioned that the price of MMTLP could go up to 100x if FINRA didn't halt the ticker to protect their so-called friends. Let's say the special dividend was $10, that's $1,000 per share if it's squeezed, not financial advice, corruption. And he added the screenshots of the exact mention of this price. And let me show you another quite interesting detail. Anna reposted this tweet that was made by Copy and Paste, and Copy and Paste wrote it on October the 6th in response to the tweet that was made by Unusual Wealth regarding the acquisition of the XOM company. And the price is roughly $60 billion, and if you divide it by the number of barrels, this means it might be an approximately $27 per barrel. And if the next breach only has 3.2 billion barrels, even though we've heard it's possibly over 5 billion, that's approximately $86.4 billion. Divided by 250 million shares, it is $354.6 per share. Quite a lucrative number, don't you think so? And let me show you further. So, he also added this. FINRA already got the bullshit data prior to December the 5th, 2022, but they concealed the existence of the data. It's been 302 days without any resolution whatsoever. That's corruption, FINRA fraud. And guys, we have a lot of evidence of illegal activity of authorities like FINRA and SEC, and this type of documents that were filed by Mark Basile and by our community members, our headliners, who are in the process of litigation against Fidelity, against FINRA, who's in the process of arbitration against Fidelity as well, like Richard Hoffman. All this data is extremely important for us, for our common goal, because together we can push this case forward to win this battle eventually. So, let me show you further. Junk Savvy wrote this tweet yesterday, and this is the link of on the Q&A session with Mark Basile, and she wrote, Join Mark Basile for discussion with live Q&A on Monday, October the 9th, 2023. MMTLP space opens at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Set your reminder. Post your questions in the chat. See you Monday. And you can find this link on her Twitter account. And here you can see the time, but don't be confused because this time is the time for my particular time zone, and your time will be different. That is why just click on set the reminder and attend to this Q&A session if you want to. Let me show you another quite interesting tweet that was reposted, that was answered by Mark Basile, and originally it was made by Bradley Tate. And I want to give a huge shout out to him because it is the fourth letter from Congress within the last several days. And yes, in general, they are quite generic letters, but I want to remind you that Congress members work quite differently than you might think. It is very difficult to break the wall and to push the case forward in order to raise this question to the Congress, and in order to Congress raises these questions to the so-called wrongdoers. But if it happens, a lot of Congress member will also attend to this so-called mainstream, and definitely this shows that more and more Congress members are aware of our situation. And guys, this entire process started on July 14th with the letter that was written by Representative Alec Rain. And it is the direct letter to Chairman Gensler and Chairman McHenry regarding our issue. And right after that, we have several letters on top of this. And definitely we have the letter of Fearless 15. And we have 2 hearings where Gary Gensler tried to answer the questions that were asked him by Congress members, and he failed to do it. And I think we are about to see the resolution, some kind of resolution in our case. So, and let me show you another quite interesting deadline. Richard Hoffman 14 hours ago wrote this tweet: MMTLP, FNGR, GTII. So it will be JR, Ham, William and I, not legal advice, Sunday night at 8 p.m. Please join us. And he's talking about the live stream where he, then little JR, Ham Short Killer and William Farrant will discuss the problem of naked shorting in the example of FNGR, GTII and MMTLP. And I highly suggest you to subscribe to his YouTube channel, Not Legal Advice, KNOT, and this will give you an opportunity to watch his video basically on almost a daily basis, and then you will be able to find out more details regarding MMTLP case and FNGR, GTII and other cases. And in general, Richard is fighting for us on the bigger scale because he wants to solve the problem of naked shorting and illegal activities on the market. And that is why he filed a lawsuit against FINRA, and for now he is in the process of arbitration against Fidelity. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.